I'm officially done Christmas decorating. I'm Anna. Let me give you the tour. My day started off with a lovely cup of coffee, of course. I've been decorating on and off for about a week, and I'm determined that today it's going to be done. Ralph and my brother Paul set up the Christmas tree. Thank you guys. It's 12 feet tall, which is beautiful, but takes a long time to decorate. The color scheme of my house is gray, beige, grayish, white, and silver. My Christmas decor is the same. It's what I like, and it's an easy way to keep everything looking cohesive. Yes, even my wrapping paper matches. I use the kitchen a lot. I cook, bake, and brew coffee a lot. I need a decorated but not cluttered kitchen. This tree decor I made in an earlier video this holiday season. I said I wanted to hang these skis on my window, but this suction hook looks kind of blah, so I'm going to cover it up with a bow. The stools have a handle on the back that is just asking for a little zhuzhing with ribbon and greenery. It's not a big or difficult bit of decor, but adds just enough festive feels for me. I made these tree silhouettes during lockdown when we couldn't go anywhere. It's just 2 cardboard triangles glued together and covered in scrapbook paper and old book pages. I secured them to the wall above the window trim with masking tape. Basic but cute. If you use painter's tape, you won't damage the paint on your walls. Just a little tip. I added trees and candles where I usually have a picture and a plant. That's pretty much the kitchen decorated. This is the room where I need to get creative. It's the dining room, and I like to keep things simple in here. And this is my problem area. I had like a really nice greenery swag, the one that I've used up in all my other projects and don't have any left for here, but it looked so good. So I've tried other things. I've put up trees, I've put up just different, like these candles. Nothing's really working right. So I think I need to make something. These are balls from a ball pit we had for my nieces years ago. I kept some for crafts. I save the randomest things and somehow they end up so handy. And this is the same fabric I used to make little elf hats as wine bottle toppers. I measured to see how much fabric I would need to cover the balls. You'll quickly see 2 things. 1, this was a useless step, and 2, I'm still terrible at measuring. I should have just cut the fabric in half. To make my ball garland, I started by tying off one end and leaving a loose tail. I then wrapped up a ball and tied that up. At first I used sticky dots to hold the fabric together, but I abandoned that and switched to hot glue pretty quickly. I kept tying up the plastic balls until I had a flash of genius. I have little styrofoam balls in my craft stash. So I alternate big and small. I also used hot glue to help me attach the 2 pieces of fabric together. It would have been better to use the sewing machine, but I avoid sewing as much as possible. Once the garland was tied up, I added black ribbon. In some spots I made bows, and in some I just left a band. I think I'm going to buy more ribbon and do bows along the entire garland. I just think that'll look a little cuter. Lastly, I used larger black ribbon to make bows on each end. Now this works perfect for the room. Now some final touches. I made this pillow in a video during my first Christmas here on YouTube. Ralph and I made this stocking stand last Christmas, and of course there's a video. Some of the trees I decorate with I made as well. I do use and reuse my projects. These are a couple of other holiday projects I did this year, and I'll have the videos linked below. That's the house. I'm ready to curl up on the couch and call it a day. Thank you so much for spending time decorating with me. I hope your holidays are fantastic and also include some downtime curled up on the couch. Wishing you and yours the merriest Christmas. Bye! Whew. Oh, no battery.